Hi students, welcome to our video class. Today we will see about Computer Applications Practical Exercise 2 PageMaker Creating Notice Board. In this exercise, to create the student notice board using PageMaker in the given format. So this is aim to create a notice board using Adobe PageMaker in the given style. Let's now we will see the procedure one by one. The first procedure, the first step is start the PageMaker using the following commands: start, all programs, Adobe, and then click PageMaker 7.0 and then finally click Adobe PageMaker 7.0. The Adobe PageMaker window will be open. Now we will do it one by one. Then click start and click all programs and then select Adobe and then click PageMaker 7.0 and finally click Adobe PageMaker 7.0. The Adobe PageMaker 7.0 window will be open here. Then second point, choose file and click new in the menu bar or press Ctrl N in the keyboard. This opens the document setup dialog box and we will go to the Adobe PageMaker, click file and then click new, or otherwise using the shortcut key Ctrl plus N. The document setup dialog box will be open here. Then no need to change the default setting. Then click OK button. So the new document is open now. Then third point, click OK button. Now the new document called Untitled 1, it will appear on the screen. Before the saving the document, the title named as Untitled 1 shown here. So this is before saving the document. The document is defaultly named as Untitled 1. Then fourth point, create a box with dimension 100 mm into 100 mm using the rectangle tool. Fill it with the cyan color and change the percentage value of tint to 25%. The resulting box is shown in figure. So nama dimension வந்து 100 mm into 100 mm rectangle tool box use பண்ணி அந்த size fix பண்ணிக்கணும். Then அதோட color வந்து cyan colorல நம்ம change பண்ணிக்கணும். அதோட tint value வந்து 25% வச்சுக்கணும். So இந்த மாதிரி, so நம்ம bookல கொடுத்திருக்க இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம rectangle box with filled with cyan color and the tint value 25% here. We will do it now. Go to the PageMaker window and select the toolbox. In the toolbox, select the rectangle icon tool. So here the ruler is inches. It's denoted as inches. It will change into millimeter. So just to go to the ruler and click the right mouse button and select millimeter. And here also in the vertical ruler, select, just to right click the mouse and select millimeters. Then now it will change mm. So here to draw the rectangle, size as 100 mm into 100 mm in cyan color. The tint value is 25%. So this is 25% cyan color and this size is 100 mm into 100 mm. So it will change now 100 here, width and also height also 100 mm. Now it will change the size here. Then after that, next point, similarly create another box with dimension 100 mm into 15 mm Fill it with black color and place it on the top portion of the cyan filled box as shown in figure. So நம்ம இதே போல இன்னொரு rectangle box create பண்ணிக்கணும். அதோட dimension பாத்தீங்கன்னா 100 mm into 15 mm and fill with black color. So color வந்து black colorல fill பண்ணிட்டு அந்த cyan box ஓட top portionல அதை fit பண்ணிரணும். So now we will do it now. So again I click the rectangle box and I draw here that box. This is black color. It will change the black color and the dimension is 100 mm into 15 mm. Now it will change the size here. So in this box I will change the dimension is 100 mm into 15 mm. The color is filled with black color. And the next step, the next is 6th point. With the text tool, click and drag the mouse from the left corner to the right corner of the black filled box and type the following words: student notice board. And the black rectangle box la nama text tool create பண்ணிட்டு அதுல வந்து student notice board அப்படினு டைப் பண்ணிக்கணும். The color of the text and the color of the box will be the same black color. So நம்ம டைப் பண்ற டெக்ஸ்டோட கலரும் அந்த பாக்ஸோட கலரும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா கலர் வந்து சேமா black கலர்ல தான் இருக்கும். As soon as you finish typing, press Ctrl A in the keyboard which will select the entire text. So நம்ம டைப் பண்ணி முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த பாக்ஸ்ல வச்சு Ctrl A அப்படிங்கற ஷார்ட்கட் கீ கொடுத்தோம் அப்படினா கீபோர்ட்ல it will select that particular text student notice board அப்படிங்கிறது ஃபுல்லா செலக்ட் ஆயிடும். Using the character control palette, change the font size to 20 points and click on the bold button. Then after that அதை select பண்ணிட்டு control color palette character control paletteல font ஓட size 20 and அதோட bold வந்து நம்ம கொடுத்துக்கணும். Then click reverse button. It will change the color of the text to white. So நான் அதை reverse கொடுத்தேன்னா அந்த black color வந்து அதுக்கு reverse white colorல change ஆயிடும். Then press shift plus control plus C for center alignment. The result is shown in figure. So இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த மாதிரி நமக்கு result கிடைக்கும். Just we will do it now. So after finishing to draw the rectangle using the text tool use பண்ணி நான் இங்க ஒரு block create பண்ணிட்டேன். இங்க vertical cursor blinking bar இருக்கு. இது வந்து cursor or insertion point அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. So இங்க வந்து நான் student notice board அப்படினு டைப் பண்றேன். STUDENT student space NOTICE notice space BOARD student notice board அப்படினு கொடுத்தாச்சு. Then after that select Ctrl plus A கொடுத்தா it will change the selected, it will change the highlighted selected text. So இது வந்து change ஆயிரும். Then after that using to change the size, using the character control palette to change the size into 20. So this is character control palette. To change the size into 20 and click bold. After that using this R is reverse button. So just I click R. So it will change the black color to white color. Then after that using the shortcut key is shift plus control plus C for center. So the student notice board, the font color is changed to white color. So this is the creation of notice board. This is output of this procedure. So we will got the output now. Finally, the result is the expected output is achieved now. Thank you student. Have a nice day.